Greetings everyone, and welcome to my coin collection. Today's coins are a set released by the Republic of South Africa in 1995. It is the southernmost country in Africa and has a population of around 60 million people. It is bordered to the north by the neighbouring countries of Namibia, Botswana and Zimbabwe, and to the east and northeast by Mozambique and Eswatini, and it surrounds the enclaved country of Lesotho. It also has 2,798 kilometres or 1,739 miles of coastline stretching along the South Atlantic and Indian Oceans. You might remember that, back in video number 59, I mentioned that South Africa has 3 capital cities, with the executive, judicial and legislative branches of government based in Pretoria, Bloemfontein and Cape Town respectively. Like a number of other countries, the largest city, Johannesburg, is not actually the capital. About 80% of South Africans are of black African ancestry, divided among a variety of ethnic groups speaking different African languages. The remaining population consists of Africa's largest communities of European, Asian and multiracial ancestry. Portuguese explorer Bartolomeu Dias led the first European voyage to land in southern Africa in 1487. However, by the 17th century, English and Dutch merchants looked to get in on the spice trade. In 1652, Jan van Riebeck opened a station on behalf of the Dutch East India Company in what is now Cape Town. Over time, the Cape became home to a large population of Vryleiden, also known as Vryburgers, literally free citizens, former company employees who stayed on after serving their contracts. Eastward expansion of Dutch colonists ushered in a series of wars with the southwesterly migrating Xhosa tribe. Vryburgers, who became independent farmers on the frontier, were known as Boers. Great Britain occupied Cape Town from 1795 to 1803 in order to prevent it from falling under the control of the French. After a brief return to Dutch rule, the British occupied the Cape again in 1806. It was ceded to Britain fully after the Napoleonic Wars and became a part of the British Empire. British emigration to South Africa began around 1818, culminating in the arrival of the 1820 settlers. Resisting British control, many Dutch settlers departed from the Cape, who were known as Voortrekkers, meaning pathfinders or pioneers. They migrated to the future Natal, Free State and Transvaal regions, founding the Boer republics. Replacing Dutch currency, the pound sterling became the standard currency of the Cape of Good Hope colony in 1825, following a policy of introducing sterling coinage into all British colonies. When the Union of South Africa was formed as a British Dominion in 1910, it kept the pound. However, in 1956, a decimal coinage commission was set up, and in 1961, the rand was introduced, 3 months before South Africa declared itself a republic. 1 rand is worth 100 cents and takes its name from the Witwatersrand, the ridge upon which Johannesburg is built and where most of South Africa's gold deposits were found. On the obverse of these coins, we see the coat of arms of the Republic of South Africa, with the motto Ex Unitate Vires, power through unity, and the country name in English and in Afrikaans. This design had been the coat of arms since 1910 when it was granted by King George V. It features a shield with each quarter a symbol of the 4 provinces of the Union of South Africa, an ox wagon representing Transvaal province in the bottom right, a woman with an anchor representing Cape province in the top left, 2 wildebeests representing Natal province in the top right, and an orange tree representing the Orange Free State province in the bottom left. The crest of the arms features a lion holding 4 bound sticks, and the shield is supported by a springbok and a gemsbok. Following the end of apartheid in the 1990s, the flag and national anthem both changed. In 1999, the Department of Arts and Culture held a contest to design a new coat of arms, and in 2000, on Freedom Day, the 27th of April, commemorating the first post-apartheid elections held on that day in 1994, the coat of arms was replaced. On the reverse of the 1 cent coin, we see a pair of Cape sparrows sitting on a branch either side of the numeral. A slightly different version of the sparrows had previously featured on both the half-cent coin, which was withdrawn from circulation in 1983, and the 1 cent prior to 1990. The engraver's initials are below and to the left. As was featured on the packaging, the fish eagle is represented on the 2-cent coin. It is flying over a body of water with a fish in its talons. This design replaced a bucking wildebeest design in 1990. A standing blue crane appears on the reverse of the 5-cent coin. Until 1989, the crane appeared on the other side of the 5-cent, facing the opposite direction. The old version was also made of nickel. However, since 1990, this coin, like the 1 and 2-cent coins, was made of copper-plated steel. The 1 rand coin features a springbok bounding across the veldt. Prior to 1990, the design saw it leaping over the denomination. Below it are the words Soli Deo Gloria, one of the Reformers' 5 basic beliefs during the Protestant Reformation. It means glory to God alone. It is made from nickel-plated copper. The bird of paradise flower, a native South African plant commonly known as the crane flower, features on the 50-cent coin. While the coin is round, along with the 20 and 10-cent coins, it features an internal nonagon. The previous design featured the bird of paradise flower with an arum lily and an African lily. A royal protea, South Africa's national flower, features on the 20-cent coin. When the designs were changed in 1990, the flower stayed the same, although the design is different. Like the 50 and the 10-cent coins, however, the composition of the coin changed from nickel to bronze-plated steel. Arum lilies, flowers native to South Africa, feature on the 10-cent coin with the denomination to the right. Although the coin is round, it has an internal nonagon. In 1990, it replaced a design with an aloe plant. There has only been a 2 rand coin since 1989. It features a greater kudu, looking away to its right. It is made from nickel-plated copper. The 2 rand is also the denomination frequently used for circulating commemorative coins. The final coin in this set is the 5 rand coin. The first 5 rand coins were minted in 1994, and this one features the bucking wildebeest design that had previously been on the 2-cent coin. While this version is made of nickel-plated copper, since 2004 the 5 rand has been a bimetallic coin and also has been used for commemorative designs. South Africa is a fascinating place with way more history than I've been able to even hint at in this video, and its coins communicate interesting things about the flora and fauna of this country. I hope you've enjoyed looking at them with me. If you have, please like the video and leave a comment down below. You might also consider subscribing to my channel so that you do not miss any of the upcoming coins in my collection.